Water shapes atmosphere in a way few elements can, through sound, through motion, through the way it gathers, travels, and releases. In contrast and in balance with fire, it forms one half of Lumacast's elemental language. The Lumacast Water Feature Collection translates natural water behavior into architectural form. Designs that bring movement, sound, and serenity into balance. Each model is shaped by function. Flow is guided with precision. Impact is controlled. Resonance is considered. The result is presence. Water engineered to influence how a space feels. Cast in high-performance, glass fiber reinforced concrete, designed for residential, hospitality, and commercial environments. The collection is defined by two typologies. Spring, water rises from a central stem and cascades across the basin, forming a layered surface shaped by variation in flow. Rain, water travels across a sculpted concrete dome before falling from its perimeter in a steady, continuous rhythm. One animated, one composed, both architecturally resolved. Lumacast water features are available in our 8 standard colors and 6 pastels, inspired by the California coastal palette. Dome and stem finishes specified independently for tonal continuity or a deliberate infusion of color. Designed to influence how a space is felt, not just how it is seen. Explore the full collection at lumacast.com.